Good morning, my dear students. So, we will be studying a new chapter which is known as Health Organization. We are in class 9 and following Concise Biology, ICSC class 9. So, please open your book, page number 176, chapter 18, Health Organization. This chapter is very small and is very easy. So, what do we mean by health organization, right? Organization means a group of people. Definitely, organization means a group of people, those who are taking care. Now, what is health? Health is the physical and mental being of a human being, right? That how we are. So, these health organizations particularly are taking place or are there to take care of the health of the people in a country or worldwide, right? So, what is health? Please mark this one. Health is one of the primary concerns of all the governments of the world. They strive to take steps individually at the national level as well as collectively at the global level to safeguard the health interest of their people. In this chapter is aimed familiarizing the students with the two main organizations, namely the Red Cross and the WHO, or WHO, or it is known as World Health Organization. Clear? Common health problem in India. India is a vast country. It has highly diverse geographical and climatic condition. Its population is distributed in broadly 5 types of habitation. What are they? Number 1 is big cities. These have multi-storied buildings, too many vehicles, heavy bundled water supply, sewage system, etc. Next is small towns. These are not so crowded. Now, villages, small population, agricultural based, dairies, poultry farming, cottage industries. Remote areas, tribal people mostly thriving in the forest and forest products, neither proper drinking water nor any medical facilities available. And the fifth point is slum dwellings. Slums and the jhuggi jhobris are a common sight at all the places, especially on the outskirts of the big cities. Unhealthy, unhygienic condition prevails in them. Now, health problems. What are the health problems? Health problems differ in each kind of habitation. However, we may generalize them as follow. So, we here have generalized in two parts. What are they? Number is food and waterborne disease, and number 2 is insect and airborne disease. Food and waterborne, number 1, number 2 is insect and airborne diseases. What are they? Several diseases, especially diarrhea, gastroenteritis, typhoid, dysentery are very common in areas deficient in proper water supply. At many places, water from hand pumps and other sources is contaminated. At certain places, harmful minerals contained in water obtained through the wells or hand pump causes a health problem. Untreated sewages or effluents from industries poured into river and other water bodies harms the people living alongside. Now, the second part, that is insect or airborne disease. The public in general are not specially the uneducated village folks and not conscious of the flies which alight on exposed foodstuff and contaminate them. That is, the flies are coming and sitting on the food particles which contaminate them because they carry germs in their legs. Okay. Lack of general cleanliness leads to breeding of houseflies, mosquitoes and other insects which causes disease. Now, the international body. Two important international body concerned with people's health are Red Cross and WHO or World Health Organization. Okay. See, the Red Cross is a national as well as an international agency. The main function of Red Cross Society is to perform activities which should prevent or remove human sufferings, including during the times of war. It was formally founded in 1864. Underline this. The embed of the Red Cross Society is a red color cross painted on a white background. People belonging to Red Cross can go to battlefield and take care of the wounded soldier, whether friend or enemies. This is a very important and vital point. Okay. Major activities of Red Cross societies are as follow. So questions will come. What is the Red Cross Society? What is its works? What are the major functions? These questions will come. Okay. To extend relief and help to the victims of any calamity, flood, fire, famine, earthquake, etc. To produce and supply blood for the needy victims of the war or other calamities, to extend all possible first aid treatments in any accident, to educate people in accident prevention, to arrange for ambulance service in all emergency, to look after marital and child welfare centers. The Indian Red Cross Society has been engaged in training midwives. Okay, and Red Cross Day is celebrated every year on 8th of May. Okay, 8th of May is the Red Cross Day. Please remember this particular point. Okay, now we have seen that many of the places we are using Red Cross. Okay, or for doctor we are using the red one, but it is the wrong use. The Red Cross embed is very often used by hospital, ambulance, doctors and nurse for quick identification, but legally it is wrong. Only the Red Cross Society units can use it, but we see that in every part we are using it or we are getting this. Okay, but this is actually wrong. Now comes WHO or World Health Organization. The WHO or World Health Organization, established in 1948, is a specialized agency of the United Nations Organization or UNO. Reason for the formation of WHO? Member countries of the UNO focused on the need of creating an international body to look after the health problems of the people of the world. This was particularly felt in the field of research on the cause and cures of disease. The combined effort in this direction were to give a better and first result. The poor and developing countries were to be benefited quickly. WHO has 6 regional offices in the world, including one in Delhi. So there are only 6 offices, among which one is in Delhi. Each regional office works for its member countries. Its headquarters are located at Geneva, Switzerland. Member states of WHO are bounded by international sanitary regulation to send in all relevant information about the internationally notifiable diseases. Malaria and smallpox are 2 such notifiable diseases that WHO take care of. Main activities of WHO, what are there? There are 6 main activities of WHO. They are to collect and supply information about the occurrence of diseases of epidemic nature such as cholera, plague, typhoid, yellow fever, smallpox, etc. Number 2, to promote and support projects for research on disease such as cancer. Number 3, to supply information on the latest development about the use of vaccine, about health hazard and nuclear radiation. Number 4, to suggest quarantine measures, that is isolation of patient. Number 5, to lay pharmaceutical standards for important drugs to ensure purity and size of the dose. Number 6, to organize campaign for control of epidemic, widespread and endemic local disease. So this is the chapter all about. These chapters I am repeatedly telling you, very easy and very small. Only typical easy questions are going to come, that what is the activity of WHO, what is the activity of Red Cross Society, the day of WHO and day of Red Cross Society, then what is health, what are the two segment of diseases. So like these questions are going to come. This is a very easy chapter. This is a coding chapter as well. You do not need to study hard, but just go through this chapter, you will enjoy this chapter. Okay, so this completes the chapter. Don't worry, I'll share you the question answer in the class, and for any of the queries please ask me. Please feel free to contact me. We will be meeting in the next class with a new chapter. Till then, take care of yourself, take care of your family, stay safe, stay happy. We will be meeting in the next class. Thank you.